Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 22nd of August 2025. The US Dow Jones decreased 0.34%, settling the day at 44,785.50, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 21,100.31, decreasing 0.34%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 42,605 and Hang Seng is trading at 25,215. Gift Nifty is currently trading at 25,088, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII bought 1,246.51 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 2,546.27 crore in the last trading session. SEBI plans more steps to cool F&O markets, mulls longer tenure equity derivatives. India's flash manufacturing PMI came in at 59.8, slightly above the forecast and previous of 59.1. Now talking about global aspects, US unemployment claims rose to 235k, above the forecast of 226 and previous of 224. US flash manufacturing PMI jumped to 53.3. WTI rose 1.3% to $63.52 a barrel, and Brent rose 1.2% to $67.67 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 98.51. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.14%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices extended gains for a sixth consecutive session, supported by sustained optimism around impending GST reforms. Fresh macro data added to the bullish sentiment, with India's private sector expanding at a record pace, driven by robust growth in manufacturing and services, notably the fastest factory activity since 2008. However, upside was limited by weakness in US tech stocks and caution ahead of Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech. Outlook for today: Nifty extended gains for a sixth consecutive session, supported by sustained optimism around impending GST reforms, closing above the 21-day and 55-day EMAs, signaling continued positive sentiment. The index closed above the 25,000 mark, indicating the near-term trend bullish. As long as this level holds, a buy-on-dip strategy remains favorable. On the upside, immediate resistance lies at 25,200. A decisive breakout above this could open the path toward 25,500 in the coming sessions. Momentum indicators support the bullish outlook. Bank Nifty closed into positive territory after previous sessions' decline, hovering near its 21-day and 55-day EMAs, with MACD trading in positive territory. The index now has strong support at 55,500. A breach below this could drag it towards 55,000. On the upside, resistance lies in the 55,900 to 56,000 zone. A breakout above may trigger a rally towards 56,500. The setup favors a buy-on-dip strategy as momentum turns positive with improving technical indicators. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, Astral, Trent, CAMS, HDFC AMC, Jindal Steel. Bearish view, BSA, MCX, Dabur, IIFL Finance, Poonawalla. Trade of the day is bullish on Cummins, buy at 3,886, stop loss 3,825. Target 3,890. Rationale: bullish reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.